Y'all, it's Israel and welcome to Israel's World. And today I'm gonna be doing a topic called Man looketh on the outside, but God looketh in the heart. So yeah, so let's get into it. Now, here we go. So I'm gonna do Man looketh on the outside, but God looketh on the inside. Um, you know, people can only see what's on the outside, but the Most High knows the inside. He's not looking on the outside, he's looking on the inside. He's looking at your heart to see if your heart is to see if your heart is to see if your heart is right, because anybody could be fake on the outside and they could be something else on the inside, you know. So you know um that's all I gotta say. But just continue to pray, keep the law, statutes, and commandments, and everything will be well. But just to come to bring to mind to you that the Most High looketh on the inside, but man looketh on the outside. He searches the mind and he searches the heart and searches the mind. And he just don't look outside. You just never know what's in a person's mind, but you look at them in outside, but you don't know what's in them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Just reiterating, just pray, keep the laws, statutes, and commandments, and the Most High will take care of you. That's just the steps you gotta do to get closer to Him. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And yeah, y'all know. See y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next video. Israel's out. Bye, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed.